Then get it one shot.
One shot.
One shot.
I do all my own stunts.
So you good on, you know, battery of arms and everything? How to do the mags and shoot the pew pew?
I know the mags and the pew-pew.
Okay.
See, it's a Satan spotter.
Such a good shot.
I tried, man. I tried.
Stretch. Everybody stretch. Oh yeah.
I didn't stretch for that last game, and my butt was like, oh.
My butt was like, literally made that sound. Oh, there it was. Let's go.
Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. What the fuck was that?
I won't give away your position. Whoops. I sat on it. Hey Logan, do something tactical.
Is that tactical?
No. You gotta get that operator crab stance going on.
Oh, he got hit before I could shoot it. That's not fair.
Full grip it, Logan. Let me see it. Grasp that grip.
Fucking hell. Yo, Marty. My belt fell off. Oh, I shot him in the dick.
Right on the left side. See him at the last second. Shot like half a clip at him. Didn't hit him.
Mag.
Rachel. Keep on saying that made me freaking say clip.
So what happened there, Marty?
Well, some guy thought it was smart to come up and engage me at 10 feet. It was fun.
So how's the mesh mask sounding?
Probably pretty good right about now, or at least a few minutes ago.
Yeah. Yeah, Eric, shoot that gun. Yeah, Eric, left hand that gun.
Consistent shoot.
All right.
Son of a bitch, now we gotta walk. Get to walking.
Eric is a screw up. Let that be known.
We gotta get a good shot right here. Chad, get in position and make it look like we're awesome. I got you. Let's get this left.
The theme music. You good? Ah, hey. Oh no, it died. Game! Yeah, you're hit.
I got hit in the ball. Yeah, I got one. Don't run the nuts. Hey, Ryan.
Can't see anything.
Yeah, you do whatever you want. You do you. Just don't do it on camera.
Don't do it.
Just don't do you on camera.